Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some surprise Happy Mail unboxing, and this comes from Terry. I'll put her link in the description box. So she is one of my crafty friends that inspired me to revisit my glue books. She recently did a flip through of her own, so if you'd like to see that, make sure to check it out. She has some wonderful collage ideas, and she's also done some really beautiful Julie Nutting doll creations. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. I'm super excited, and I love the sticker that she put here with the sunflower. It says "Stand tall, my dear," and I think it comes very timely, especially what's been going on with the fires here in California and everything else. So thank you so much, Terry. Let's open it. Let me see if I think I can open it from this side. Let's see if there's a letter first. Okay, I think this is our note. How cute. It's a Winnie the Pooh little sticker, washi sticker. Look how cute. I love this embossed card. It says thank you. Let me read it off camera. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. It says, "Dear Clarissa, just wanted to send a small token of my appreciation for your support on my YouTube channel." Aw, thank you so much, Terry. That's so sweet. I love that I've made a lot of new friends here on YouTube, and I've known you guys for the last few years of having been part of this crafty community. So thank you so much, Terry. So let's pull out. Oh my goodness. She knows we both love daiso, and there are some items that I've found in my daiso and some that she hasn't found yet in hers. So this is adorable. I'm working on a Winnie the Pooh album or junk journal, and I have not seen this in our daiso. I do have another bag, but this is so cute. Look at Winnie the Pooh playing with Piglet here. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, what else did she include? Now we have these. I love this bag, and we have, oh, this will be perfect for my little journal. Look at these, guys. I just love Winnie. He is so daydreamy and just happy to be in the moment. I love these envelopes. And there are more cute items here. She's also shared these film resin set for, oh wow, we can use this for a resin project. I'm definitely going to try this out. Let me just pull. I have not seen this in my daiso. So each daiso will carry different items. They'll have some that are the same, but it's so nice to see what other people find in their daiso. Look how cute these are. So we have the background, and this is what the images look like. This would go wonderful on a pendant. I already have an idea. I'm going to include it as a charm for my Winnie the Pooh journal. So we have that, and she has included a lot of Winnie the Pooh. Thank you so much, Terry. This is too cute. We have these little packaging bags that come with a little closure here. It says Gentle Pooh. He is so cute. Okay, and we're done. That is so sweet. I mean, there's so many cute items at Daiso. I could shop there all day. Look at this cute little baggie, and she has filled it with so much adorable stickers here. Let's see, we have some flowers. Oh, I love that. Candy stickers. We have a horse at the circus. Look at this guy. Air balloon. These are so cute. Again, these are perfect for my travel journal, just for journaling in general. Look how adorable this panda tempura is. That's so funny. And then we have, oh, I like this. I need more of those Z's and sleep nice at night. That's a cute bunny. We have this. They are too cute. I love these flake seals. And again, I have not seen this at my Daiso either. These are too adorable, Terry. Thank you so much. I love this. This is definitely going to go in my planner. Look at the cute variety of all these guys. And I spy a few more in this bag. That's a lot. Hold on. Here's another guy. I love that, the idea sticker. And then we have like peppermint. So cute. Oh, she had shown her Daiso haul, and I have not seen any Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and I love the Seven Dwarfs. So I finally have a set. This is so nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So watch out for a upcoming journal share for that. And these cute page flags and sticky note with all the wonderful characters of Winnie the Pooh. That is so adorable. There's more. Oh my goodness. I did not see this too at our Daiso. This is just too cute. It is an envelope set, and it comes with this little cute card set on there. And my goodness, there's so much. And look at this. I love these dimensional stickers. Again, with these wonderful Winnie the Pooh characters. There's one more. It says, Twiddly dee, a hum is in the air. I love this. I love that too. I'm going to put this in my journal. Let's see. Oh, wow. Terry, did you make this? This is so pretty. Hold on, let me open this. Wow. Hold on. So Terry made this cute card here. Look at this. She's created some dimension with this cute Winnie the Pooh, and I love the embellishments here on the card. And there you go. There is Terry's channel and Terry's Place Designs. So cute, and it comes with the matching envelope. Love that. And then we have another one. Oh, I love that. And I love the saying, and the phrase here says, live simply. That is so true. Again, I love these mini embellishments that she added in this envelope set. Super, super awesome. Thank you so much, Terry. This was such a wonderful surprise in the mail and came really timely. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned. I will be sharing with you soon my Winnie the Pooh junk journal, and be sure to see some of these wonderful items that Terry gave me. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.